So, hi. So, this is my first time doing a voice video, which pretty much like that. Let's just try to open this thing right here, and then maybe we'll go to packaging first, just because why not? So here's MyMelody and Kuromi, which of course they always shows up in the packaging. These are so cute. Like, look at them. I kind of don't know what I wanted. It's probably Grace and Earl Grey. That's how you say. So this one, these two are the secrets, which I don't know how to complain now. So let's just open this straight away because I wanted it. I wanted to. Oh no. Okay, good. Oh, there is requires a card. Now time to feel it. I think we got MyMelody. Do we? There are ears right here. Means this is MyMelody. So this is the card, which I'm not going to flip it yet just because, you know, it's a surprise. Let's just open this. See? I told you, it is MyMelody. Oh, that's so cute. So here is the card. This is Ceylon tea. Is that how you say? This way. So this is how she looks like. She's wearing a cute little hood and a flower. She's so glossy, wow. Here is MyMelody. It's like glass, but not really, but it looks so glossy. I love it. I love it. I actually love it. So this is what we got. We got this one. We're so close to getting Earl Grey. I just wanted her so bad. But it's alright. We still got the cute one though. So adorable. Oh, there's no stand base here. I thought there would be, but this is what we got. This is actually cute. I love this. More than this. Thumbs up. Here's a little close up so you can see better. Okay, I think that's it. I can only just buy one. Maybe soon I might buy many. I don't know, but I think that's it. So, bye.